A Sony memory stick voice file contains recordings captured by Sony digital voice recorders, dictation, interviews, or memos stored on memory stick media. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play, convert, or transfer these voice recording files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single MSV file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. MSV files are voice recording files from Sony digital voice recorders stored on memory stick media. They contain compressed speech audio captured by Sony ICD series voice recorders using Sony's proprietary LPEC low-power enhanced codec optimized for voice dictation. Sony MSV files use the LPEC codec designed for low bitrate speech compression. They include metadata headers with recording date time quality setting and recorder model information. The format prioritizes small file size and long recording duration over high-fidelity audio quality. For full compatibility with MSV, use the proprietary Sony Player plugin for Windows Media Player developed by Sony Corporation. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows handles simple playback, but multitrack or effect-based editing requires advanced audio tools. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your MSV file and choose Open With. Use Sony Player plugin for Windows Media Player if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your MSV file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this MSV format is causing you grief. First, playing the recording. Install Sony Digital Voice Editor from Sony's support website to play MSV files natively. Alternatively, use VLC Media Player, which may support MSV playback depending on codec availability. Sony Sound Organizer also provides native MSV playback and management features. Next, converting to MP3. Use Sony Digital Voice Editor or Sound Organizer to convert MSV files to MP3 or WAV format via File Then Convert. Select the desired output format and quality settings. Online conversion tools may also support MSV to MP3 conversion for quick one-off file conversions. Finally, transferring recordings. Connect your Sony voice recorder to your computer via USB. Sony Digital Voice Editor or Sound Organizer will detect the device and display recorded MSV files. Drag files to your computer for backup or use the software's export feature to save in standard audio formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.